We're opening up a different grape every day. We're giving you little tidbits so that you can go find some delicious wine to drink, because that's why we're here. Uh, Hey, welcome back to the 2024 Wine Advent Calendar from Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara, and we're here to give you, we're opening up a different grape every day. We're giving you little tidbits so that you can go find some delicious wine to drink, because that's why we're here. Today is day 5. Today we're talking about Mourvedre. Mourvedre is a red grape. It makes big, bold red wines. It's also known as Monastrell, and is also known as Mataro. So you'll see Mourvedre referred to as, when wines are from France, Monastrell when wines are from Spain, and Mataro generally in the U.S. and I think in South America sometimes. And sometimes, people just use, in the U.S. they'll kind of use, whatever they feel like it. So, like I said, these are full-bodied wines. They're pretty high in tannins, and they have sort of middle of the road acid profile. You're going to get a lot of black fruited uh, flavors: blackberries, blueberries, plums, some black pepper, not as pronounced as Syrah, but some, and sometimes you can get licorice. Like I said, in Mourvedre is part of the GSM blending team, if you will. Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre in France, and mainly in the Southern Rhone. It is also done by itself, all right, in Spain, in the Jumilla region, and you see a lot of Mourvedre also in in California. I think one of my favorite Mourvedre wines is the Bodega El Nido Clio wine from Jumilla. It's an all-time favorite. It was just on one of the top 100 wines of 2024. I forget which one. I think it was the Wine Spectator. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous wine. Silky, smooth, big, bold. If you're getting bored of Cabernet Sauvignon, especially California Cabernet Sauvignon, I always like to point people to Monastrell from Jumilla. And that Bodega El Nido Clio is a perfect spot for those, in a bit of a Cabernet Sauvignon rut. That's all I have for today. We will see you tomorrow for another episode of the Wine Calendar. We'll open up another little part of the box.